This is our year-end retreat for our elementary Catholic Student Leadership Impact Team. We are here at Bird's Family Fishing, getting ready for 150 students from the Catholic School Board to arrive. So the kids will be fishing for rainbow trout today. And they're just jumping like crazy.
Sometimes fishermen fish for days without catching anything. Sometimes when you are leading, you have to be patient with those around you. Jesus showed the fishermen how to be his followers and catch people by telling stories about God, teaching them how to pray, how to use the Spirit to heal people, and showing them that everyone is loved by God, even those people who do bad things.
So what is this bait called, everyone? Say again, what is it called? Swim bait. And the reason why it's called swim bait is when you cast it into the water, and when you reel it in, watch the paddle tail go side to side, and it looks like the real fish. See? So that's called a swim bait. And the advantage of a hard body bait, because it's made out of wood or plastic, it has this oil in it, it shines in the sunlight. So when I cast it, see that it has, see how it shines in the sunlight? Oh, the fish is going for it. Okay, so this is a hard body bait.
That other end, around 7, 8, 10 times. The more you do it, the stronger your line should be. The stronger you get. Some of us work with a partner, get one person to hold it. It takes practice. Sometimes I don't always get it right the first time. I gotta do it again.
I did it great.
Oh, I know, Mom. Sure.
No, we do. We taught her to connect the rails together. We taught her I did. For years, many years.
You talk to walleye. It's also known as a pickerel. Large teeth. You don't put your fingers in their mouth. Glassy eyes, and the bottom of the tail is white. Okay, and they're very good to eat actually. Really tasty. Next one, bluegill. This is known as a panfish, similar to sunfish. It has a blue tinge to it, but the reason why you know it's a bluegill is because it has a red spot on its gill. Okay, red spot on its gill.
Hi, teachers.
And there's a little loop.
Am I supposed to be waving? Are you taking a video? Yeah. Don't. How about you? This side. Never mind. Here, which should I? Okay, whatever. The center. I'll do that. You say ball this way. That way. Ready?
Trying to hold both the ends like this.
Yes.
Mike, you have always inspired us to be great, and now we are going to fish and use some bait. ECSLIT was amazing this year, and you have taken away our high school fear. We are sad to leave and go, but next year the ECSLIT team will grow and grow. So we would like to say one last time, and although this may not rhyme, happy birthday, Mike, we love you.
And we are ready to go fishing. Here we go. 150 rods for 150 student leaders. Who's got gonna catch the biggest fish? The best baits. Here are our master wormers.
Put it through anywhere, and then you just keep looping it on. Okay? Should it squirt all over the place? Okay, go.
No, it's just gross.
I need your hook. It's like slime. Okay,
Make them touch the worm.
No, it's okay.
come closer. Come closer.
You don't touch the worm, you gotta catch the fish.
Oh, that's a good one.
We got our first fish.
Okay, hang on.
All right. All right, we caught a fish. Reel it in, get a net, get a net. There's a net over there. All right. Where's your plastic? Oh, it's over there, it's over there, it's over there. Good job, guys. All right, show me your fish. Hanging.
Oh, just hang it like this.
Yeah, like
Yeah, like that. Atta boy. Here we are, Bird's family fishing. All these kids from the Catholic Elementary Student Leadership Impact Team. And the master fisher, Chase Consul. We got a fish. Lift it up, lift it up. All right. Got a teacher with a fish. The line snapped. There goes the fish with the bobber.
What did I do?
Girls, those are some huge fish. Wow. All right, your first fish. That was awesome. In the distance, we got another person catching the fish. Oh, there it goes. You got a fish. Someone grab a net. Someone grab a net. Oh, you don't need a net. Just drag it to shore. Whoa, that's a big fish. Here are all the fish caught by the students all around the pond. Here's some more fish. Looks like everyone's having a good time here at the Bird's family fishing pond. Say hi, girls.
Hi. Oh my gosh, I think I lost. Oh my.
You lost it?
Don't keep reeling it.
Chase, you got a fish? Chase, you got a fish? Oh man, Chase, you got one. Can you net it for her?
I don't know how to.
Grab the net. Yes, Chase, you got one. Fight it. Fight it, Chase.
I'm 5. How old is your daughter?
Can you net that fish for her? All right, Chase.
How old is your daughter again?
She is 7. Oh, it got off, Chase. Oh, we'll get another one. Good job. You got one. You got one.
Get it. I'm getting it.
Woohoo! Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Yeah.
Did it catch?
Good job. Redemption. This is the teacher that lost the fish. She got it. Can you, someone get a net for Chase? Chase, you got one. Chase, you got one.
Chase.
Keep going, Chase. Keep going, Chase.
Go Chase. Go Chase.
Keep going, Chase.
Come here.
There it is, Chase. Oh, it's a good one. Get the net, girls. it up, net it up. Cheers!
Yes, Shay.
Woo!
Still there too.
Scylla, you got a fish.
Like 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. Woo!
Someone grab a net. ECSLIT.
ECSLIT's first fish.
ECSLIT chair.
It's okay, I was just in the way.
All right.
Yeah!
Bernie Consul has his first fish. Bernie Consul with his first fish. He needs a net, everybody. He needs a net. Just pull it up onto shore. There we go. Bernie Consul with his first fish.
Nice one. Thank you. Okay.
We got teachers catching fish too. That's it, Valerie.
We can share a basket now.
We got Principal McKeon with her first fish. That's a big one, Ingrid.
I think so. Looks good.
There's dinner. Husband's gonna be happy.
Oh, thank you.
There we go.
Thank you.
Good job, Miss McKeon. Fight it, Chase, fight it. Can you get her a net? Hey, little buddy. Get a net. All right, Chase, your last fish. All right. Those are some massive trout, buddy. Congratulations.
That's a big trout.
What is going on here? How many fish did you catch, buddy?
I got 4, but 2 of them are my teachers.
Everyone, show me your fish. Everyone turn this way. Show me your fish.
Mine are small.
Look at all these fish. You got some good fish there?
Of course, no. Yeah. Watch your head.
Dinner?
Where's my fingers over your head?
Let's see what they're doing over here,
Dinner
Chase.
served, a la Trout.
Hey,
Hi, beautiful wife Jennifer Michael the
Hi,
man
Michael.
coordinates his 40th birthday today.
Happy birthday.
thank you.
Our youngest son Cruz over there.
We got the fish. Hey, Cruz. Oh, they're getting it.
Cruz, you get the stuff?
So each kid,
Some nice stuff.
yeah, each kid can get their fish clean, bagged, and iced, so they can take it home to eat. Chris is the master gutter. Fastest cleaner in the East. Alright, we got our fish bagged, iced, gutted. With heads or without the heads?
I have heads. Oh,
Alright. This is what we do after everyone fishes. All the kids are gone. Now it's time for the dirty work.